very good afternoon to you, and many thanks for joining us. You're watching news updates coming to you live on Politics and Business Television Abuja. I'm Fatima Abubakar Oyibo. On the news of this hour, the family of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has rejected the recent court judgment delivered against him, describing it as unjust and marred by legal irregularities. They argue that the ruling failed to uphold the principles of fairness and due process, raising serious questions about the integrity of the judicial system in handling politically sensitive cases. In their statement, the family highlighted what they termed repeated violations of Kanu's fundamental rights, pointing to procedural lapses and disregard for established legal standards. They vowed to pursue every available legal option to challenge the judgment, while calling on both Nigerians and the international community to pay close attention to what they describe as a miscarriage of justice. The African Democratic Congress, ADC, has declared that it can win the 2027 general elections without relying on sitting governors. Party leaders expressed confidence in their grassroots strength and nationwide appeal, stressing that their strategy is built on mobilizing ordinary citizens and presenting credible candidates rather than depending on incumbency advantage. According to the ADC, the party's focus is on transparency, inclusiveness, and policies that resonate with Nigerians across all regions. They believe this approach will give them a competitive edge, positioning the ADC as a viable alternative to the dominant political parties ahead of the 2027 polls. Meanwhile, authorities in Ghana have confirmed the arrest of a man suspected to be behind the killing of a Federal Road Safety Corps FRC officer and his daughter in Nigeria. The suspect, whose identity has not yet been disclosed, was reportedly tracked down through coordinated efforts between Nigerian and Ghanaian security agencies, bringing a major breakthrough in the high-profile case. Investigators say the arrest marks a significant step towards justice for the slain officer and her daughter, whose death sparked outrage and calls for swift action. The suspect is expected to be extradited to Nigeria to face trial as security officials continue to assure the public of their commitment to tackling cross-border crimes and ensuring accountability. In the meantime, the Office of the Auditor General for the Federation has revealed financial irregularities amounting to over 61.1 billion naira within the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited (NNPC). The 2022 annual report on non-compliance identified 28 major breaches during the 2021 financial year, ranging from unauthorized environment and procurement violations to tax infractions and abandoned projects. These findings highlight serious lapses in financial accountability and raise concerns about transparency in the management of Nigeria's most strategic oil enterprise. According to the report, the questionable transactions included payments totaling 30.1 billion naira, $51.6 million, 14.3 million pounds, and 5.17 million euro, all converted to naira to reach the staggering figure of 61.1 billion naira. The audit also flagged unsubstantiated settlements and unaccounted foreign transactions, exposing systemic weaknesses in NNPC's internal controls. Stakeholders have since called for urgent reforms to strengthen